At 12:50 p.m. Myanmar time, 10 kilometers beneath its soil, a powerful earthquake struck, rippling across Asia. Myanmar and Thailand suffered the worst, with 3,000 lives lost. So, what happened? On the morning of the 27th of March, Mandalay, Myanmar's second-largest city, woke to a peaceful dawn. Sunlight bathed golden pagodas like Mahamuni, casting shadows over bustling streets. Da Maya, a vendor, set up her stall spices, steaming noodle bowls, while kids in uniforms chattered on their way to school. Yu Than, a taxi driver, crossed the historic Ava Bridge, sharing its stories with passengers. Life felt steady, unshaken. Meanwhile, 600 kilometers away in Bangkok, Thailand, the energy was electric. Skyscrapers towered, and in Bang Sue, workers swarmed a 33-story building nearing completion. Hammers rang, cranes hummed, the crew dreaming of a new landmark. No one guessed that in less than a day, it'd be rubble. Let's look beneath the surface. Myanmar sits at a geological hotspot where the Indian and Eurasian plates collide. These aren't still rocks, they're massive slabs of Earth's crust, always shifting. Along the 1,200-kilometer Sagaing fault, slicing through Myanmar, the plates grind past each other, storing pressure for decades. Picture two giant hands pressing tight until one slips. That slip, on the 28th of March, 2025, unleashed a 7.7 magnitude quake, releasing pent-up energy from years below. Globally, about 15 major plates shape our planet, but this corner of Southeast Asia, especially Myanmar, a restless zone. This time, that restlessness exploded. A low rumble turned into a roar as the ground beneath Mandalay buckled. The 7.7 magnitude quake struck, its epicenter just kilometers from the city center. Homes sold and news weighed and crumbled in seconds. Streets split, dust clouded the air, and screams echoed through the chaos. To the people of Myanmar, it felt like the end of the world. Buildings collapsed. The earth tore open. Dust swallowed the city. Terrified residents huddled inside, hiding under tables, hearts pounding, shrieking through a living nightmare. High-rises and hotels teetered, then crashed in a deafening roar. People screamed, running in panic. Eyes wide as water from rooftop pools gushed down like waterfalls, sweeping everything away. At the airport, the ground heaved. A massive plane wobbled on the runway, passengers crying out in terror. The train station tilted, a train rocking violently. People clinging to seats, eyes blank with fear, waiting for the shaking to stop. The earth cracked. Black muddy water erupted like the planet's veins bursting. People shrieked, scattering as mud splattered, turning streets into a sludgy horror show. Minu Brick Monastery. Built in 1818 by Queen Namada Minu in Inwa, this brick marvel mimicked wooden monasteries. The 7.7 quake shattered its walls, collapsed its 7-tiered roof, burying a Konbong dynasty relic in dust. Sagaing Bridge, the Ava Bridge, raised in 1934 under British rule, this icon linked Mandalay to Sagaing over the Irrawaddy. The quake snapped it in two, twisting steel, crashing into the river amid smoke and debris. Mahamuni Pagoda, one of Myanmar's holiest sites, famed for its 4-meter Buddha statue, gilded since the 13th century. The quake smashed its Payathat roofs, cracked walls, and scattered gold leaf, leaving sanctity in ruins. Beyond Myanmar, the quake's reach toppled a 33-story building under construction in Bangkok's Bang Sue. Built by China Railway No. 10 Engineering Group, global giant. How could such a titan craft something so fragile? In Bangkok's Bang Su, the 33-story tower gleamed with promise, its frame nearly done. In just 5 seconds, seismic waves hit, amplified triplefold by Bangkok's soft alluvial soil. Cracks raced up from the foundation. Steel snapped like straw. Concrete pillars shattered. The bottom floor gave way first, triggering a domino effect. Floors pancaked down in a thunderous roar. Dust billowed, cloaking the site, leaving a heap of rubble meters high. Workers scrambling in panic. Why? Bangkok's weak soil boosted the quake's force. Paired with outdated flat slab design, they couldn't handle lateral stress. Only 30% complete, it lacked proper bracing, and suspect concrete quality sealed its fate. 100 vanished. Dozens deed, a stark symbol of nature's might. Rescue teams rushed in, digging with machines and hands. Racing time. Some Chinese workers fled, clutching documents, only to be detained. Were they hiding shoddy design flaws? Or do those papers hold darker secrets? Investigations continue. By the afternoon of the 28th of March, the quake didn't just ravage Mandalay, it felled Bangkok's tower, stealing lives and etching terror into memory. The 2025 Myanmar earthquake left deep scars, lives lost, homes gone, communities broken. From Mandalay's shattered streets to Bangkok's fallen tower, the toll is staggering. What now? Myanmar's military rulers, in a rare move, begged the world for help. After the quake, people cowered in fear, homeless, unsure of tomorrow. In a nation gripped by dread, who'll step up to lead? Amid a lingering political crisis, could someone seize this disaster for a new power play? Our hearts ache with Myanmar as losses mount. We hope the devastation eases, aid reaches those in need, and peace, perhaps luck returns.